So I'll be showing you how to set an alarm on your Apple Watch. So it's very simple. All you have to do is press the crown once to reveal the main menu. And in the main menu, you're looking for this alarm option, the alarm icon. You can see the alarm clock right there. Just tap on that. And here, as you can see, you'll have the option to add alarm. Now, if you had previous alarms, they're going to be listed there. And all you have to do is scroll to the bottom until you see the option to add alarm. Tap on that, and that's going to open that page. Now here, you're basically selecting the time for your alarm, setting a specific time. Now let's say I want an alarm for 6 a.m. So with the hour section selected, scroll with the crown up or down to go up or down, select 6, and then I'll tap on the minute side, and then I'll put it at 00. You can either scroll this way or this way, as you can see. So I'll put it at 00 for 6 o'clock, like that. And once I set my time for my alarm, I'll just tap on this check mark. Now, as you can see, I have the alarm set, but there are also other things I can change in this alarm. So if I tap on it, I can actually change the time. So let's say I want to adjust this to 6:30. I can just tap on change time and adjust that to 6:30. Now, another thing I can do is to choose the repeat. If I tap on that, I can choose to have this alarm go off every day. I can choose only weekdays. I can choose only weekends, or I can scroll even further and choose specific days of the week. So I can just go and choose maybe Tuesday and Thursday, and you can see I have check marks next to Tuesday and Thursday, and those are the only days my alarm will go off. So the other thing you can do is to name your alarm. Now, if you have multiple alarms on your Apple Watch, you might want to name the alarm so you can differentiate them. So tap on that and rename your alarm if you want to. So I'll call mine Hustle. Let's try and type. It's not very easy to type on the Apple Watch keyboard. There you go. And then tap on done. And as you can see, my alarm now has a name. And then you can choose whether you want to snooze, to enable or disable snooze for your alarm, depending on what you want. And once everything is done, you can now go back and you should have your alarm there. And that is basically how to set an alarm on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. In fact, before I leave, you can also add another alarm if you want to. So you can have as many alarms as you want on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.